Hi guys, so today we have something different. I want to share with you my grocery haul that I did recently, and I want to go on a healthy journey next week, so I'll be doing a juicing detox, and these are some of the things that I got from the shops. I want to start a healthy month, a healthy year, and see how it goes. So we have some spinach, which of course with the greens that we're going to need for making the juice. Then we have basil, a very nice herb that you can eat either fresh or maybe dried. Then for fruits, we do have some blueberries, which are very healthy and nutritious as well, and will add color to the juice. Then my favorite fruits, which are strawberries. And we also have parsley, or you can use coriander in case you don't have, which we call dania in Kenya. More spinach, as you can see, which is the bigger part of this juicing. Then we have celery, which we're going to use the stalk, and you can use it for juicing, or you can use it to make soup, or even use it in a vegetable stew. Then we have skuma wiki, which is also known as kale. That is also one of the greens that we need for this juicing. Then we have carrots, of course. This is going to add some color, but also some very crunchy and nutritious flavor. Then we have beetroot, red bell pepper, and grapefruit, which is very delicious and sweet. Then we have romaine lettuce, or you can use any lettuce that maybe you may find available in your area. We also have lemon, of course, which is going to add some tangy flavor and acidity to make the juice at least have a balance. Then cucumber, which is a very nice vegetable. You can use it in salads, you can eat it raw as a snack. Then we have green apples and red apples because they both have different values. Green apples are more tangy, red apples are more sweeter. And I guess that's it. That is all the things that I'm going to need for this juicing week. So join me, and I hope to have a very healthy 2021, even as we stay at home, be safe, always wear a mask, and be healthy. That is all we ask for this 2021. Bye guys.